Hey guys, what do you know? Guess what time it is? Time to build an airplane. B Scott 1030S. Got the front and rear spars built. Got them sanded down, contoured, pre-fitted, pre-drilled. I made one mistake. I put one of those ribs on the wrong side of the line. So I just added one to the other side of the line. It's still gonna work. It's got an extra rib there. Luckily, I pulled the measurement from the right side of the line. And they work pretty good. So I am working on putting the ribs on this spar. One, two, three, four, and there's five, and these go on this side. Six, eight go there. This is where it's nice to have a hand, but I don't have one. So, like last time, we'll do it ourselves. And we'll start by sliding on the number 5 rib first. You know what? I need to look at these ribs. I'm gonna take a Dremel and clean up these gaps. That's one thing I haven't done yet. Little gap where to go. I don't know if you can see a little glue build up here and there. And that's got to go. Here are little brackets a little bit too far in. Guess what? I know you don't want to say it's been a beautiful day here in Southeast Virginia. Man, it was gorgeous. About 80 degrees, sunny. Spiders sure do love wood that sits around. All right, let's try this again. Start with the number 5 rib. See if it goes on there. I didn't try to fit every rib, I just had 1 or 2 I checked. But, I think we'll be okay. See, it's a nice tight fit. This would be nice to have somebody else. I made it. It's easy to do with that like that. There's 16-pound sledgehammer on to hold it. All right. Let's try another one. I've still got a touch of stuff in there. It's okay, it's on the side, it's not going to touch. Let's see. Oh, this one's tight. built like downtown, guys. Yeah. All right, I still got an inlet for this one right here. We got a cutout right here for this plywood. It's not on here yet. At the same time, inlet it right here for this bracket. Eighth-inch piece of plywood. We'll mark it off. And then a 1/4-inch piece of bar on top of that. That's not leave me much wood in there. I might end up gluing another little piece in there. Now I already added this little piece on there. It would have been completely cut off without it. Maybe I might add a little piece in here still. I don't know, we'll see. The gap was made way too big. It's only supposed to be a hair sort of slip on. And I'm pushing all of them tight to this rib here. So this gap here, I think I'll be okay not even inletting it. Yeah, I don't even need to do nothing there. Of course, I'm gonna add ribs in here everywhere they're loose. If you can see this, all of them are loose. I'm gonna make them loose on the backside like I did the other one and glue another rib next to it so it'll attach. So I don't need to do nothing there, but I need to do something here. I think I'll use the cutoff saw to get it started. All right. And I'll finish that up with a Dremel. Be helpful to have a few more cordless tools. Maybe next time. At the old Dremel, you see some of the tools are crafting their old tools. They're back when they were Sears. Alright, need a little angle cut on that. Here, them flip flops are working. Just temporary bolts. Yep, that'll work. That will work, my friends. Right up there. All right. Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Got me a square line on the bench right here to start out with. So all this stuff's got to come this way a little bit. All right, guys. That's it for me for the evening. We got a port wing going on here. When I come back, we're gonna fit these ribs to the structural members on the front spar, and then work the rear spar, And then the next thing you know, we'll be working on airline spars, diagonals, all kinds of stuff. Anyway, hope you had a great day. Hope you have a great evening tonight. See you later. Don't forget, God love you. Keep looking up. Take care. Bye.